is very important to note that solar cooker is going to solve those problems. Now, according to our group, while making the solar cooker, we assembled resources, and one of those resources was a box. Then we have foil. Then we have plexiglass. Plexiglass is this one. And then we have the black polythene. We also used scissors and sellotape. So to make our solar cooker, from the resources that we already have, it is clear that we are making a solar box cooker. It's a solar box cooker. So the procedure. Number one procedure. Identify or collect the box and put it at the working place. So after you identify the box is inside here, with two pieces of cloth from our local environment. Our tailor is just around here, so we picked our pieces of cloth from there. Then we use the pieces of cloth to first stuff our box at all sides. What is the function of the pieces of cloth? The pieces of cloth are going to help in absorbing and retaining the heat. So when the heat is already absorbed in the cooker, it's retained with those pieces of cloth. So after stuffing the pieces of cloth inside, you take a black cloth. In our group, we took a black polythene paper. Then you cover it, you cover the box that is stuffed with cloth all round, and make sure it is well fitted. So this is our box. This is the black cotton, the black polythene bag. We didn't use the cotton cloth. And then inside here, we stuffed it with pieces of cloth. After stuffing it with pieces of cloth and covering it with the polythene bag, then you fix the inside. And the inside is going to fit at the sides. We fix it using reflectors. And our reflectors, we use plywood covered with foil to create reflectors that are going to be fixed at the sides. Then below it, below the carton box, we use plywood covered with a black cotton cloth, since that is the place where heat is going to be retained in the process of cooking. So as the heat is being reflected from the reflectors, it hits the black cotton cloth and it's retained there until the cooking process is done. So thereafter, we have this one, the top part. The top part is a plywood covered with aluminum foil that is going to act as our reflector, since we didn't have a reflective glass. So this one, make sure you put it at an angle where it's going to reflect the sun rays inside the box. So the moment the sun rays hit this place, they reflect inside the box, and the reflectors inside the box also help to reflect the heat to the cloth, the black cloth inside, so that the heat is retained inside there and your food cooks. So with this glass, we are going to cover it so that it is airtight. Remember, air should not be inside because we are trying to retain that heat inside to be able to cook our food properly. And make sure that your glasses are properly made. This one we did like this so that we are able to show you what you need to do. Make sure that it is airtight. glass.